This hack, I'm not kidding, it's gonna blow your mind. Blow your mind. Yeah, you're not going to believe what I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you a makeup that I just made with two hacks that are so crazy, this flawless, and when I say flawless, because my skin is very dry, do have fine lines, and foundation always creases, it gets it makes me feel older, right, Monty? I have two hacks today, and I'm gonna show you how I did a flawless, no kidding, with one, and the other one is to have, it's a powder eyeshadow, and I'm going to teach you how you can get this wet look. It's not water, with a powder eyeshadow. So stay tuned because this hack is going to drive you crazy. Okay, let's get started because you are not going to believe it. So half of my face, this side, yes, I have makeup on. Yeah, I'm all made up. You can see I am all made up. This side, I am not made up. I just took off all my makeup to do this video. So let's get to it. You're not gonna believe what I'm gonna do right now. This magic tool will give you a flawless makeup. I'm not kidding. It's not a beauty blender. It's a pair of socks. It's my socks, and it's dirty here because I used it. It's a pair of socks. Yeah. And I just rolled it like this, like this, like this, like this, like you're gonna fold it. And there you go. Okay. Not kidding. This is crazy incredible. Okay, now you're gonna put your foundation, I'm using this one here, and I'm gonna tap it on. This is crazy. This is unbelievable. So I got my mirror here, and let's get started. You do it exactly the same way you would do with a beauty blender, okay? Exact same way. Over here, over here, over here. This is not Pauline crazy, no. This is amazing. Now, I'm not going to use concealer. What I'm going to do is put a little bit here on my, okay, I'm going to put it here. Look at this. Look at this. And I am going to, I want to conceal. I want to conceal. This is what I'm going to do. I got my finger and I did this. And, yes, this is what I am doing. And I'm going back. Okay. Just where I feel, take a little bit off, I need to conceal. Okay, and then if you want to, you can go with your finger. I'm going to continue with my sock. Okay, there you go. This is going to sound crazy, but it had to happen to me. So I filmed my other half of the face, like I was saying, because I had just removed half of my makeup, and I did this other half, and I thought I was filming. It wasn't recording at all. I didn't press the button. So I did my whole face, and I didn't show you. So I'm going to show you right now on top of this makeup, okay? Like you fold your socks normally like that, and you get this, right? Right. So this is what I did. I grabbed contouring here. And I'm gonna go with my favorite ombre. You see? Here. That's it. That we are done. It's flawless. Now for the eyes, what I did is I already did my eyes. Oh no. Okay, this. My lip gloss. Yeah, did I use on my mouth? Right over there. Yeah, lip gloss. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You have a powder eyeshadow. I'm using this one because this is a powder eyeshadow. I'm gonna show you. It's powder. See, it's not a cream, whatever. The colors are gorgeous, but it's okay. I did already on my eyes, and I don't think I'll be able to do it on my eyes, but I'll show you here on my hands. Maple, okay, this is unbelievable. You're gonna get your lip gloss. Yes, you are going to apply this on your eyeballs. You're gonna apply it on your eyelids. Any color, it's not the color. You see, your finger, you can choose any color. Let's get this gold one, you see? And there you go. Do you see? You're going to apply your powder, and you will get do you see? You will get this. This is what you get. Creamy, creamy. You see the glow. You will get wet look. Lip gloss and a powder foundation. You're gonna get this look. It's unbelievable. So the magic to today's makeup is a pair of socks, a lip gloss, and you will get a look that I never got this look using my beauty blender or the normal tools, and I'm not kidding. It's flawless. It's flawless. It's unbelievable. No more words.